Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, my name's Anabelle and today I'm bringing you this super glam, super sparkly festival look, so let's get into it. Starting off with this babe, this is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. How cute is she? Oh my gosh. Love using these two colors for my crease. It adds a nice amount of warmth and really helps to contour my eye. Taking my Smashbox Crease Brush. Looks good to me. Now we're on to the fun stuff. Moondust from Urban Decay. If you haven't tried it, get amongst it. Going in with these two colors all over my eyelid and then on my inner corner as well. Oh, look at all that extra brightness. This is the part everyone fears the most, liquid liner. But as long as we take it slow, we should be okay. So I'm just stamping the liner along my top lash line and dragging slightly. Now onto the wing, it's always easier to angle it towards the end of the brow. Now that liner's done, onto lashes. Ta-da, I'm back! Lashes are on and so is my base. We're gonna finish up eyes and then we're on to the next step. So I'm just taking my original base colors and I'm going to put that on the lower lash line just to bring the whole look together. I'm kind of connecting it as well to the wing liner that we did on the top, just to give it more of that sharp edge. Now time for a little mascara on the bottom lashes for some extra definition. Now onto cheeks, we're going in with the Ambient Lighting Blush in Radiant Magenta. Normally I like to go quite light-handed with blush, but festival season gives you the perfect excuse to go ham. Since we all know I love a good glow, I'm going in with Gold Deposit Skin Finish from MAC. I'm just going to apply this to the tips of my cheekbones. Oh, she's beaming. Let's up the ante. I'm going to put on some glitter. It's festival season. It's time for the glitz, the glam, and the extra. Using the Mecca Max glitters in Cashed Up and Give Me More, let's glow. Glitter always needs an adhesive, so today I'm using the In Your Dreams Glitter Beauty Balm. Focusing it around my temples and blending back into my hairline. Let's do it! Just gonna add some face gems from In Your Dreams. To tie this look together, we're gonna do a bold lip. And now for a little sprinkle of fairy dust, the In Your Dreams face and body glitter. Just putting a little bit of chunky glitter down my center part. And there you have it, the finished look. I'm ready for festival season. Hope everyone else is too. My unicorn is in full effect. Hope everyone liked the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.